Hey kid, I understand you'll be speaking at the All-Star Financial Client Appreciation Celebration being held Friday, September 28th at the historic Minnetonka Country Club. I don't know if I'll be able to make it. I'm sorry, I'm busy. That's a Friday night, and on Friday nights I like to watch Blue Bloods, MacGyver, Hawaii Five-0, and sometimes Dateline NBC. I can't imagine this Client Appreciation Celebration would be a good use of my time. Well, I hope you will decide to attend. I would hate to have you stay at home and nothing new happens and you have the same dinner and do the same stuff when you could instead spend a couple of hours enjoying exceptional food, beverage, and entertainment. Here are the reasons why you won't want to miss this celebration. This is All-Star Financial's first annual Client Appreciation Celebration. This event will be held every year to create a legacy experience with you for many years to come. The event is taking place on a beautiful fall evening at the historic Minnetonka Country Club, overlooking the downtown Minneapolis skyline and Lake Bede Macau, formerly known as Lake Calhoun. There will be two speakers that evening. The first will be from Ivy Funds, who will give a brief overview of global investing. I will then give an interactive presentation on generational communication that will provide you with tools you can implement as well as make you giggle. Throughout the evening, we will be having a piece of art created by renowned artist Andrew Beeson. This newly created piece of art will be auctioned off live at the event, with the proceeds going to the MS Society. Bob's dad lived with MS for 56 years before passing. It'll also go to the Washburn Center for Children and ACES, athletes committed to educating students. All-Star Financial is hosting the event to celebrate their clients and to thank them for their continued trust in the All-Star Financial team. This celebration event will help continue to build, grow, and strengthen legendary relationships with their clients. Space at the event is limited, so RSVPs will be taken on a first-come, first-served basis. So register early. Well, it is starting to sound pretty good. The Minnetonka Country Club is lovely. The speakers sound valuable and fun. The art and philanthropy will be magical. When and where is this Client Appreciation Celebration again? The All-Star Financial Client Appreciation Celebration, an evening of exceptional food, beverage, education, and entertainment, will be held on Friday, September 28th from 5:15 to 8:45 p.m. at the historic Minnetonka Country Club. Don't miss this opportunity to be a part of something legendary. Watch for your personal invitation to arrive via U.S. mail the week of August 28th. It will include instructions for how to RSVP. You'll want to reserve your space right away, as they will be taken on a first-come, first-served basis. I hope to see you there. And we hope to see you there.